morning, Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag outlook for Thursday, April 24th. Well, mixed trade across the ag space overnight. Corn right now 1 to 2 higher. Wheat prices range from up a penny in Chicago to down 2 in Kansas City. Mixed trade in the soy complex as well. Beans are up 2 to 4, while oil continues to outperform the meal. Oil right now 40 to 45 higher, while meal has backed off $1 to $2. No major news overnight regarding the U.S.-Chinese trade war. The U.S. dollar and stock market have backed off a little bit from their recent gains. Much of that strength driven by a seemingly softer stance on tariffs by the Trump administration, possibly trying to attract Chinese officials to the negotiating table. While President Trump has suggested that low-level talks between the world's two largest economies have been ongoing, Chinese officials deny this claim while stating the U.S. needs to cancel these tariffs as a means to jumpstart trade negotiations. Export sales later this morning. Yesterday's EIA report did show ethanol production rebound to 304 million gallons. That was up from 298 million the previous week. However, it was still below the pace needed to reach the USDA corn usage forecast of 5.5 billion gallons. It's fallen below that needed pace now for the third consecutive week. Ethanol stocks did drop to a 14-week low, just below 25.5 million barrels. Heavy rains were noted across west central Kansas here overnight, bringing drought relief and improved crop prospects to their hard red winter wheat crop. Heavy, however, scattered rains also noted across northern Texas, the Gulf Coast region, along with central Iowa in the past 24 hours. Precipitation over the next 5 days to favor the northern plains, northwestern corn and bean belt, along with parts of the southern plains. Lighter amounts for the central Midwest through the end of the month should enable some planting progress with the presence of above normal temperatures. Normal to above normal temperatures are expected to stretch out into the first full week of May. Forecast in South America also mostly favorable. Net drying for Argentina, helping accelerate corn and bean harvests there. We do expect updates, crop updates from the Buenos Aires Grain Exchange later today. Rains this week across key growing areas of Brazil have also helped maintain a favorable outlook for their second corn crop. Corn has struggled here as of late, closing down 4 consecutive sessions. Inside trade for July overnight as it bounced off its 100-day moving average yesterday. Favorable weather here in the U.S., along with growing production prospects in Brazil, work to limit the upside potential, while export demand does remain strong and may be offset by lower domestic usage, keeping old crop inventories from slipping much further. July beans remained stuck in about a 20-cent range here for the last 2 weeks. Support below the market at its 50 and 100-day moving averages near 1040, while rallies have been capped near 1060. Speculative traders are pretty much flat in the soy complex, long 33,000 beans, 45,000 bean oil, while short 77,000 contracts in the meal. Meal has drifted back below $300 a ton, while bean oil, that's approaching its April high, just above 49 cents a pound. Bean oil as a percentage of product value and crush margins have gone back above 45%. New contract lows for KC wheat here overnight as the market just continues to lack a bullish spark to ignite a short covering rally, with several opportunities for rain here over the next few weeks. Look for some improving crop conditions and yield prospects. Next support for KC wheat is at 520. Thanks for listening, everyone. Hope you have a great day.